Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio here from Jeff. This is a Hitachi KH-435H. It's AC and DC, so it's got a built-in AC converter, and you can power it off that, or you can power it off 4 AA batteries. Right now we're running it off the AC. He's got the box, which looks like pristine, and he even has some paperwork. Here is the warranty card, and here is the original manual. All looking pristine condition. It's AM, FM. I am showing you it playing on FM band, and I can let you listen to it because I'm using a technique that Todderbert uses. I noticed it about last week on one of his old videos where he has a FM transmitter, not this one. He's got one that's self-contained, and I've got mine plugged into my MP3 player, and I'm playing music from the free YouTube library. So let's listen to what the radio does as far as audio. And I can change the channel. Now if I get the transmitter too close to the radio, I get a little interference. So I got to keep it a little ways away from it. I can change channels, or change tracks. Oop, I got it too close again. Change track again. Okay, my MP3 player doesn't like that track. Let's go back one. And I'll let you listen. Kind of repetitive. Well, let's try another one. That's too repetitive. There we go. Try a different one. So it sounds really good. Got a big speaker here, about a 4-inch diameter speaker. And I can turn this off. Switches on the side. I'm going to turn it off. And now we're just getting static because there wasn't anything on that frequency normally. I tuned it away from any other local stations. So let's tune up the band real quick. I'll extend the telescopic antenna. It's got a carrying handle. It's about 14, 16 inches. Let's tune it in. This is FM. Tune's really smooth. Yep, can't stay on that music.
$2 sausage, egg, and cheese wrap. Mortgage by calling American Fund.
Picking up a lot of stations.
How you doing? Cars for less and
COVID-19 testing.
About 1976 vintage.
Then you have this pod of visit forthepeople.com. Core Labs. Spoiler alert.
Whoa. Okay, let's go to AM. That's the AM FM switch, on-off power, volume, and the tuning knob. Nothing over here, and there's an earbud port right there. And there's the AC cord, which is built in. So let's go to AM and we'll tune down the band.
And the preacher was making this point. You have to be specific.
And that sounds familiar. Picking up a lot. I imagine this will work pretty good for DXing. Seems very sensitive. Real smooth tuning. I like this radio. Too bad it didn't have shortwave.
There's been studies done by...
Doesn't have a light dial. That's one thing it's missing.
You start to move forward, and
Nice
really
and
in
clear.
competition, it is about...
West on I-4 approaching 275 in Tampa.
Picking up a lot of stations. One thing I need to do, I need to make a listing of the local stations, say that's within 200 miles of me, and then maybe, pick some stations and find which ones can be received. This was purchased by a defunct importer, guy going out of business temporarily. Jeff paid $45. He says in his notes, he says, while it says super sensitive, super selective, it seems to be a bit above average, but reception is not all that. It seems like it's pretty good here at my location. It could be the age and possibly needs work. I think it's great, Jeff. Maybe it's your age, or yeah. Let's see now what it's. So this was new old stock. So this is brand new. Like I say, you got the box, you got all the paperwork. Looks brand new to me. It's tuning fine. I think it would actually work pretty good on like DXing. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.